Yeah! Hey, let's sell things for really expensive price and they're really useless. Oh, sounds bad to me. I'm in. Okay, so let's set up a stand. Okay. Nah. Okay, I'm about done. Here it is. Awesome! Now we can sell things. Hey, here's our first customer. Hey, stop. Yeah, we're selling popsicles for $999. You put it in your nose. Yeah. Whatever. I'll just buy it. Okay. Thanks for coming. Well, we can make money out of these people. Hey, here comes our next customer. Hey, I'm smoking some tobacco and weed. Well, maybe we can get you some more drugs. Oh yeah, that would be great. Okay, okay. So what are you selling? Oh, Sean, every type of drug. Oh man, yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'll buy a cigarette. Okay, that'll be $9,554.99, 2.2 cents. Wow, pretty expensive. But I'll buy it anyway. It must be pretty good. Yeah. Man, we got some good money. We got some good money. Yeah, I agree. And some of it real. Hey, get out of here. Okay, whatever. Just get back to some. Not so fast. Yeah, we want our money back, or else you're going to have to date Hello Kitty. Awesome! I've made your crush on her. No, that's not her Hello Kitty. That's my ex-wife you have a crush on. There's a picture of her. Poop. I'm Hello Kitty. Yeah.